Keeping your chin up, a guide to staying positive. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, keeping your chin up. This expression is all about staying positive and resilient in the face of challenges. We'll explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get started and keep our chins up together. Keeping your chin up is a metaphorical expression that encourages someone to stay optimistic and confident, especially during tough times. The phrase suggests that by physically lifting your chin, you adopt a posture of confidence and resilience, which can help you mentally feel stronger and more positive. It's a reminder that, despite the challenges, there's a reason to keep going and maintain a hopeful outlook. While the exact origin of keeping your chin up is not clear, it's widely believed to be linked to the idea of maintaining a proud and defiant stance in adversity. Historically, a lifted chin has been associated with bravery, pride, and a positive spirit. This phrase captures the essence of not letting difficult circumstances bring you down. Incorporating keeping your chin up into your daily language can be a powerful tool for motivation. You can use it to encourage others who are facing difficulties, reminding them to stay hopeful. Boost your own morale when you're going through a tough phase. Express empathy and support to friends or family, showing them you believe in their strength and resilience. Keeping your chin up is more than just a phrase, it's a mindset. It embodies the spirit of optimism and resilience that can help us navigate life's ups and downs. Whether you're encouraging someone else or reminding yourself, keeping your chin up is about facing the world with confidence and hope. We hope this video has enlightened you on the beauty and power of this expression. Remember, no matter what life throws your way, keep your chin up and move forward with positivity. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.